All right, let's take a look at this problem. Jesse is on a rowboat in a lake. He starts backwards towards the dock, which is 800 yards away. He rows at a rate of 50 yards per minute, and the distance Jesse is from the dock, D, after m minutes, is represented by the following function. So we have this function to work with. So how many yards is Jesse away from the dock after 5 minutes? So what this is saying is when m is 5, what is D? So we're going to put a 5 into our equation for the m. So we'll have D of 5 equals 800 minus 50 times 5. Do your order of operations. So we'll multiply first. 50 times 5 gives us 250. And if we subtract 800 minus 250, we get 550. So that's 550 yards Jesse is after 5 minutes. Now, part B says, how long will it take him to be 150 meters from the dock? So this is saying when D is 150, then what is M? So this time, in place of the D of M, we put 150. And now we solve our equation. We begin by subtracting the 800 from both sides. And that gives me negative 650. Use your calculator to check that if you need to. And then we need to get rid of this negative 50. So we do the opposite of multiplying by negative 50. We divide by negative 50. And we get that m is 13. So that means after 13 minutes, Jesse will be 150 yards from the dock.